Install Sims 2 games. There are several games in the Sims 2 game collection. Among these are Sims2 Fun with Pets Collection, Sims2 Best of Business Collection and Sims2 University Life Collection. Each of the collection has several independent games. The chronicles what happens in real life. Sims 2 are created in 3D and are more appealing to players because the characters and backgrounds look more realistic. Sims 2 games allow the player to customize a sim, design their very own sim and so much more. The features are made to give the player total enjoyment. Although installing a game on your computer can be very straightforward, there are times when you will encounter problems since some of the games involve using several disks before the game can be fully installed. Below are some tips on how to install Sims 2 games. Check the disk space remaining on your selected hard drive. A Sims 2 game may need a very large file for data storage as well as the required space when you are playing. Check out the system requirements of the different Sims 2 games. You can go the Sims 2 website to check. You can order your game from the site or go to a video game store to buy the game or different games. Choose the ones that are compatible with your operating system. Insert the first CD into your CD player. Open the drive where you plan to install the game. From the main menu, click File New Folder to create a folder. Give a name to the folder. Double-click the folder that you have just named and in the folder window choose File New Folder once again to create a subfolder. Label this folder Disk 1. If you have several games to install, create more folders and label them in succession. If there are several CDs in one game, name the subfolders as Disk 1_A and so on. Go to My Computer and select the drive for the CD player where the Sims 2 game CD is inserted. If the Autorun dialog box pops up, click the Cancel button. Cancel the game installation if it has already started. Right-click on the CD in the drive and click the Explore option. You will see the contents of the CD. Right-click anywhere inside the window and choose the Select All option. You can also do this by clicking Edit from the main menu and choosing the Select All option, or click inside the window and press Ctrl+A. Any of these actions will highlight or select all the contents of the CD. Click Edit once again and choose the Copy option. You can also click inside the window while everything is highlighted and press Ctrl+C on the keyboard. This will copy all the files that you have selected. Navigate to the drive where you have made the folders and look for the Disk 1 subfolder. Open it and either click Edit Paste or click inside the window and press Ctrl+V on the keyboard to paste the items that you have copied to this folder. Continue these processes if you have several games to install. Locate the autorun file from the Disk 1 folder. Double-click the file. This will install the Sims 2 game into your computer. Once you have installed the game and it is running smoothly, you can delete all the folders for this particular game from your drive to free up disk space. You have the option to scan the files that you have copied for viruses before you actually install the game to your computer. Doing the installation this way ensures that the installation will be hassle-free. If this does not work, check the game disk as it may be damaged or scratched. Buy a replacement copy if you have determined that the disk is indeed damaged.